Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 35mm reversal film, and I got this image by Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges, and this is pencil drawing type image I got, and the original image is this. This is a reversal film. Well, I had a good shooting on this, and I made different images the other day, also watercolor image, illustration kind of stuff. And this time I'm going to use this image, but well, I felt when I see this image sort of not happiness, sort of loneliness or desolation or something like that. And also these colors feels more, not optimistic image, now sort of loneliness, I would say. So I don't know what kind of image I can make, but let's try it. Well, let's get started now. I'm gonna, smudge. Well, I want to see the pencil drawing type image also, same time. So I'm gonna change the layer mode, normal to darken, then tone down to about 40% or so we can see through the lines and also this base image. Okay, now started. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then I'm gonna turn this base image off. Now I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna rename smudge. Okay, start from, choose some smudge tool, find up. Well, usually I do little pine. Okay, I'm gonna try on this again. Okay, smudge down, little bit small, tool size. So much grainy because of the 35mm film, analog age, not digital. Well, I have black lines here from line pencil drawing type image, which I made by Adobe Photoshop. But I'm going to take these black lines off later on with the mask. Now it's smudged. When you smudge, it's going to retouch this grainy image, and also take this. Oh, this is from lines. Well, just like this grainy area, I can smudge to retouch this. It's not the reason why I'm using the smudge tool. It's gonna give you some this kind of smudged texture of the tool. Well, let's smudge all over the image now. More shows illustration image. Then if you make a little bigger to smudge this shadow, much bigger you can use. And see, smudged all over. It's gonna soften up. Nice image. And also outside, when you smudge it, you can take this dust off. Okay, go for model first. Well, we got almost done smudging for the model. Now I go touch more bigger tool size, then smudged the shadows and the other surrounding area. Bring this back to a little bit bigger size. But this black lines, it comes from this pencil drawing type. I'm going to turn this one off, like this black lines and stuff. So now we only see that smudged image, so it's gonna green when you once smudged it. Just take the grainy out. No grains. You see? This kind of sort of greenish blue dark shadow color. I want to use this color later on. That's it, nice. And some light, highlight from the window or something. Largest size of the smudge tool. As you can see, no grains on this smudged image. Nice location, nice light. Okay, smudged here. Well, smudged outside of the frame, edge of the film. Now I go this, probably some kind of greens plant or something. Okay, now done for smudge the image. Now I'm gonna put some paint on this image. Okay, I'm gonna add layer for color. Color layer, brush. Painting to this one shows a Japanese letter which says Oriental brush. I'm sure you can find on your iPad. Okay, pick the color, same. Let me see. You see? You can see the texture. I said some kind of plant was here. I don't see, so let's put it on here. Now, I want to change the layer mode on this color. It's normal now. Change the layer mode to darker area doesn't show, but the light area shows some. Wow. Okay, now its mode is hard light, vivid light, linear light, dim light, hard mist. So much effect. Color dodge. Interesting effect. You can see some kind of plant or something. Well, this turn on and off, you see a different image. Kind of interesting texture, isn't it? Really interesting. Well, I don't know what to explain about this, but just leave it here. Keep this. Don't just turn down to 60%. Then just leave it here. It happens. And let's see. Now I'm gonna go back to overall color image around here. This area has much interesting colors in, and make her skin tones nicer, and make wall color something different. Yeah. Okay, now leave this layer just it is. Happen to be like this, and I'm going to add another layer for first. I go for her skin tone, a little more darker, nice skin tone. Use the brush to, well, this time I'm going to use airbrushing to soft blend. And that's about it. It's changed to normal, to color, right? It shows a little more warm color, reddish here. And the lips, much more red. And go change the brush to medium hard blend, small. Yeah, little pinkish. It's greeny here, so I'm gonna smudge again. Just touch on smudge the image. Smaller size. Smudge the image. Just touch. Want to show the grain. Smooth it out. Okay, for her skin tone's nice. Now I go this area of the color is add another layer for. Now change the brush. Go with watercolor brush. I hope this is a kind of a soft image. Okay, then choose this color again. Okay, this is the overall background color. Let's blend in. Maybe more greener. That's interesting, which I gotta change this on and off. You can see here. So So I'm going to change to, you see here, shadow area. This one vivid. You see really very see this area. Yeah. Pin light. Vivid light. Color. Now it's color. You see some of a greenish color. Now I go bluer. Add this. Now same time I want to put warm color here on this same layer. It's very see this greenish bluer color, but same watercolor brush. Then add here. Now yellowish warm. About this, let's see. Now it's blending some. Tones changing here. You can tell. I want to put some red here. Reddish color more. Then also I'm gonna put the color more reddish tile, Spanish tile or something. Okay, this is fine. Now, well, that's interesting coloring. Maybe warm up this shadow here. On this layer. Yeah, this is nice. Against this cool color, against here, warm. That's I think interesting and nice. Color wise, okay. Now, I'm going to change the canvas size. Crop and resize. Give it a canvas just a little bit. Touch more. Okay, done. Now I'm going to smudge this image. This side too. A little bit more bigger. Yeah, I guess this is the feeling of this image. Well, I think this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for your support. And you guys have, I hope you guys get some kind of idea of your creative work to do. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.